I couldn't have written the script, but I'm glad that I've done it.
They had really easy bite-sized suggestions and theories and concepts that were really translatable to go straight into practice.
I've taken a lot away. It's really had a positive impact on my life and how I think, and I think that's probably one of the most impactful things. Learning from each other's experiences and creating safety in the room and being able to have some real difficult conversations, I think, is where you learn. You learn at your area of unknown. So I think it was really important for me to think about the challenges that I experienced personally and how I could use that to help me in my life.
I am probably facing the most difficult time in my career that I've ever faced, and there are skills and there are messages within the training that have helped me process, keep me moving forward, continue to be a leader, and have given me internal thought processes and taught me some internal lessons that have helped me understand and act in the way that I want to act.
I've managed to navigate situations in a slightly different way. I've been able to really find some positivity in how I manage certain situations. I've been able to think about the areas that I needed to develop on and find different ways of communicating something.
The most important thing as humans being is communication and language and what we use. That just kind of penetrates through everyone. And we can see that there's been a massive increase in how people talk about the work that they're doing, how the team discuss maybe situations, whether that's going to be in work or kind of personally, and how that communication has really improved.
I'd say that the main way that the training has impacted the team is by bringing a sense of togetherness. I think it's brought out strengths and qualities, and people have committed to support one another. And ultimately, if we support one another, we will then support children and young people and families better. And that's what we're here to do.